Hey everybody, it is Mark Coe for Wednesday, 11th of October. I wanted to take a look at euro dollar today. We've been focused on euro dollar in my videos the last several days, and it's a really good follow through in what we're seeing here because what I've been focused on in euro was this bottom edge, and if you think back to where I've had it marked, euro dollar's been marked 1670 to 1720. So it was a nice 50 tick bottom edge. Now this is coming from a daily level, and so the key is as euro was being sold down into that 116.70 area, anybody that's pretty short-term focused is going to be looking at that and understanding, hey, it's sold off to get down here. But if you're looking at it from a bigger picture perspective and realize what level you're selling into, or let's say you're looking at, then that level takes on a bit of a different meaning, right? This is the level that held in late July, that held in August, that held in mid-August, and it served for the run up above 120. It's the same level. And so when you're looking at it last Friday as the dollar comes in and is basically sitting at a top edge dollar, which means lower euro, the momentum short-term part of you may be looking at it as this thing's weak, this thing's a sell. But the levels part of you should be looking at it and saying, what is in this level? What is represented with this longer term level? This longer term level was actually quite key. And so here is that same level, just on a tighter time frame, right? This is just 2-hour time frame. It's not long term, but it's not 5-minute. But here is that same level, right? So it's 1720 to 1670. That's the big level that I just showed you on a daily chart. Right, so that's the big picture level. So look at this from a week ago or 10 days ago, having that level highlighted, right? I've talked about this many times over the last couple of weeks. We traded into it, traded to the very top of it, and the euro reacted. However, the euro failed to do something on this move higher. It failed to take out the last formidable edge. Right, it got to this consolidation that was pretty low, but it didn't get to this breakdown edge. Not on that move. And so here's what you have. You have a high, now a bounce from this level, but a lower high in relative to this level. So euro comes down, makes another new low, fails to again bounce up to prior level, makes another new low, and then this takes us into Friday morning as the I said earlier it was top edge dollar, which was bottom edge euro. And now you actually start to see reaction. Again, all from the level that has been on your screen since July. So it's plenty of time to understand the area. But difference is now in this bounce, euro starts taking out sell areas. It starts knocking out the sell areas. And so as we come into Wednesday afternoon, this is a pretty key area, this 1855, 1860 area. And that's what euro is working on as we close, as we get to the last couple hours of trading here on a Wednesday afternoon. It's a much more impressive feel for euro to the bid side when you can take out breakdown levels. So prior to this, euro was making lower highs, kept making lower lows, and now we see the point where euro put in a lower low and now starts to take out those sell levels. So again, stick with the idea of levels. Approach the market for what it's doing, not what you want to see. The market at this point is showing you a level, 1670 to 1720, that sellers cannot drive it through. So as you continue to develop your skill with the levels, and as you continue to develop with your ability to read what is the market really doing, understand it comes from a bigger picture look down. You don't start this with 5-minute analysis and say, well, here's a level at this tick and a level at this tick. That's not what you're looking at. You're looking at big picture where big money will drive those moves. And the bigger picture level on that showed you 1670 to 1720. It's been there since late July into August. We're now in October where that level got tested again. And it was the same result as what happened in August, which is that the buyers appeared and held the level. So as you take that forward, keep working on your levels, and we'll talk to you soon. I hope everybody has a good Wednesday, and cheers.